Enchanting India continues every day, every moment with us. Every small thing, every tiny details are beautiful and give our country an enrichment. And our morning is pretty much content with the very first sip of chai. And it's awesome when it is Irani chai for the Hyderabadi Nizami people. Yes, we are talking about Hyderabadi Irani chai. Like pearls and biryani, Hyderabad is also synonymous with the famous Irani chai.
आदमी यहाँ पे आके चाय पीता जिसकी ये जायका मालूम है। वैसे तो आपको घर से या होटल आए थे कि 25 रुपये चाय की बंडी वगैरह मिलती है, मगर कुछ लोग यही जानते कि नहीं भाई हम को ईरानी चाय पीने से हमारा मूड चेंज हो जाता है और दिन में चुस्ती फुर्ती कायम रहती है। पर आपको ईरानी होटलों में वही लोकेलिटी मिलेगी जो ईरानी चाय जानता हो, ईरानी चाय जिसको लगती हो, ईरानी चाय जिसे पहचानता हो, वही अपनी आके ईरानी होटलों में अपना मौज मस्ती को खा रहा है।
The famed old city, Hyderabad possesses charms that never fail to get one hooked. The array of short eats and the biryani offerings are hard to resist. But take a closer look at the hababs in the old city area and you will realize that there where the original cafe culture is. A tourist ought to travel the snaking gullies around Charminar to experience the joy of sitting in one of these cafes and sipping Irani chai with biscuits to munch on. It's time to go for some more Irani chai in some other places. It is said that SD Road in Secunderabad is a good spot to find all these cafes. It might have been the place where the initial Iranian settlers settled, but now you can find Irani chai in many restaurants, and Irani cafes have given away of baristas, cafe coffee days, and now Starbucks is coming to town. While traveling on SD Road, I did find certain bakery shops and original garden restaurant which was established in 1952. Unlike other type of teas, it is a concoction of milk, condensed milk and tea leaves.
पहले हमारा हम पानी को उबालता, पानी उबालने के बाद शक्कर, शुगर और चाय पत्ती सब मिक्स रहता। मिक्स होने के बाद वो चाय बर्तन में डाल देते हैं। वो ज़रा दम होने के बाद 15 मिनट वाला तो दम होने के बाद सब छान लेता है कपड़े के अंदर डालने के बाद वो जो चाय निकलता वो जब दूध के साथ मिला के 1 चम्मच दूध 1 चम्मच चाय मिला के देता है कस्टमर। दूध को बॉईल करना पड़ता।
It is a thick, creamy blend that generally served with Usmania biscuits, which again is a local to Hyderabad. And above all this, it all cost rupees 5 to 15 depending upon the popularity of the tea cafe. There is an interesting story behind Irani chai's origination in this region. It is said that Persian immigrants came to Mumbai's port in last century for better life and trade purposes. From Mumbai, they immigrated to Pune and then to Hyderabad. Along with them came the concept of Iranian chai.
दादाजी आए बाद में फादर आए, हम लोग यहाँ पैदा हुए चिल्ड्रन, ग्रैंड डैड from Iran.
From morning till midnight, Hyderabadi people are so fond of this Irani chai. There is no reason to say no to chai at any point of time. Whether you have breakfast, you can have chai. Whether you have lunch, you can have chai. Any trip to Hyderabad certainly goes unfinished if you haven't had a sip of Irani chai. Plus, the whole Iranian angle does add a sense of exotica to it. You can savor the tea wherever you want, and whether it is a Swiss chai shop, the much wanted restaurant, or a humble roadside eatery, they are not just brewing up and serving a beverage called Irani chai, but keeping alive the slice of the city's history and heritage with the aroma of mesmerizing Irani chai.